Making a cartoon video can be a fun and creative process. Here are some steps you can follow to create a cartoon video. Conceptualize your idea. Start by brainstorming ideas for your cartoon video. Decide on a concept or story that you want to tell, and think about what characters you want to include. Plan your storyboard. Once you have an idea for your cartoon video, create a storyboard that outlines the scenes and events in your video. This will help you visualize the flow of your story and ensure that you include all the important elements. Choose your animation style. There are many different animation styles to choose from, including 2D hand-drawn, 3D computer animation, stop motion, and more. Choose the style that best fits your concept and the skills you have available. Design your characters. Create sketches of your characters, including their personalities, physical features, and clothing. Think about how each character will move and act in your video. Choose your tools. Depending on your animation style, you may need to choose different tools to create your cartoon video. For 2D hand-drawn animation, you may need a tablet and animation software like Adobe Animate or Toon Boom Harmony. For 3D computer animation, you may need 3D modeling software like Autodesk Maya or Blender. Start animating. Once you have all the elements in place, start animating your scenes. This can be a time-consuming process, so be patient and keep working on it until you're satisfied with the result. Add sound and music. Adding sound and music can greatly enhance your cartoon video. You can record sound effects and dialogue, or find royalty-free sound effects and music online. Finalize and publish. After you have completed your animation, make any final tweaks and edits, and then export your video in the format you want to share it in. You can publish it on social media, your website, or a video sharing platform like YouTube. I hope these steps help you create a successful cartoon video. Good luck!